Hi, today is 27th July 2020 and from today exactly 123 days are remaining for CAT 2020. And today's session I am going to discuss two questions of algebra. In both the question it's all about manipulation of equations. So you all can pause the video and try to solve the questions here. In case if you have missed out the first 50 questions, so you can join our Telegram group and WhatsApp group, and from there you can download the PDF of the first 50 questions along with the video explanations. Alright, let's move ahead. Question number 51. Let x and y be positive real numbers. Define a equal to 1 plus x by y and b equal to 1 plus y by x. And if a square plus b square equal to 15, I need to find out a cube plus b cube. So it's a square plus b square, a cube plus b cube, and a and b are given to us. Now, we know a square plus b square, it is equal to nothing but 15. What is a and b? We do not know what is a and b individually, but we know that a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab, and this is equal to 15. Okay, but do we have any idea what is a plus b and ab? Let's calculate here. A equal to 1 plus xy and b equal to nothing but 1 plus y by x. Now, if you observe carefully, these two are reciprocal of each other. Okay, so when you multiply, these two will nullify each other. So for example, if I say a into b is 1 plus x by y into 1 plus y by x. Now open the bracket. If you open the bracket, I'll get this 1 into 1, that is 1, plus now this 1 into 1 plus y by x, that is y by x, plus this x by y plus into 1 plus x by y, and the x by y into y by x, that will comes out to be 1. So this is equal to 2 plus y by x plus x by y. Okay. Similarly, if you calculate the sum a plus b, so a equal to 1 plus x by y and b equal to 1 plus y by x. So this is equal to what? 2 plus x by y plus y by x. Now if you observe here, both of them are same. So here it is 2 plus y by x plus x by y, and this is 2 plus x plus y by x, which means that a into b, it is same as a plus b. So I can say let a plus b, it is equal to a into b, and let's say that term is equal to k. Both of them are k. And substitute this value here. So I'll get what? K square minus 2k, it is equal to 15. So k square minus 15 minus 2k, it is equal to 0. Or it's a quadratic equation. I can say k square minus 2k minus 15 equal to 0. Alright. So this is k square, 15 is 5 into 3, and 5 minus 3 is 2 also. So k square minus 5k plus 3k minus 15, it is equal to 0. So k is common, k minus 5, plus 3 is common, k minus 5, and it is equal to 0. So I'll get k plus 3 into k minus 5, it is equal to 0. So k equal to plus 5 or minus 3. But again it has been given here that x and y are positive real numbers, remember. So x and y are positive real numbers. Alright, let me highlight this, positive real numbers. So k can be only equal to 5, it can't be equal to minus 3. So the only possible value of k is equal to 5. Okay, so I can say this is equal to 5. The sum of a plus b as well as product is 5. Now we need to find out a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube equal to what? I can say a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So I can say this is 5 cube minus 3 into 5, a into b is 5 as well as a plus b is also 5. So 5 cube is 125 minus 75, and 125 minus 75 is 50. So the answer for this question is 50. So I hope that it is clear to all of you. Now let's move to next question, a very interesting one. It says The pairwise products A into B, B into C, C into D and D into A of positive integers. So A, B, C, D, all of them are positive integers. Are 64, 88, 120 and 160 in some order. So A into B equal to what? We have no idea. But A into B is one among these here. And I need to find out what is the value of A plus B plus C plus D. So let's see here. I can say A into B. Add all of them. So A into B plus B into C plus C into D plus D into A. The sum of these four numbers, it is equal to sum of 64 plus 88 plus 120 plus 165. Now, which number is what? We have no idea, but I can definitely say that the sum of these four numbers on the left hand side, it must be equal to sum of four number on the right hand side. So add all of them. So 64 plus 48 plus 120 plus 165. If you add all of them, it will comes out to be 437. And on the left hand side, B is common here and here D is common. So I can say B, taking B as common, I'll get A plus C, plus taking D as common, I'll get C plus A. So you can see A plus C is common to both of them. So we can say A plus C into B plus D equal to 437. And what is 437? The 437 is the factorization of nothing but its factorization is 19 into 23. And as we know that A, C, B, D, all of them are integer. So basically I need to write out 437 as a product of two integers. So the only possibility is that 437 is 19 into 23 and both are prime numbers. And also both the numbers should be greater than 1. Why? Because we know A, B, C, D, all of them are positive integers. Okay. So for example, if I say A is a positive integer, so minimum possible integral value of A is 1. C is also positive integer 1. So what is A plus C? So A plus C is greater than equal to 2. Okay, same thing, B is greater than equal to 1, D is greater than equal to 1. Both of them are positive integer. So the minimum possible value for both of them will be 1. So B plus D, it should be also greater than equal to 2. So that's the reason that 437 can be written as a product of two numbers such that both the numbers are greater than equal to 2 is only 19 and 23. Now, which is 19, which is 23, we do not know. But still we can find out our answer. Like if I say A plus C is 19 and B plus D is equal to 23. So what did I get? Or this is 23 or this is 19. In both the cases, the sum will be equal because the order is not important. Like in the first case, A plus C equal to 19 and B plus D equal to 23. So add these two. So I'll get A plus B plus C plus D. And 19 plus 23 is 42. Even in this case, A plus C equal to 23 and B plus D is equal to 19. So sum of these two, again, A plus B plus C plus D, it will be comes out to be 42. So it doesn't matter in which order you will take. In both the cases, the answer is 42. So the answer of this is 42. So that's all for today. Thank you.